everybody. Today we're going to build on the last class. So we're going to again draw our 7-circle grid and then draw our hexagram grid, and from there I'll show you different ways that we can colour this in. So if you haven't seen my previous class, please just click on the link in the comments below, or you might be able to see what I'm doing in this fast forwarded version of what we learned last week. This is the first 3D image we're going to create. Super easy, we just colour in our triangles with different colours. So grab 3 different colours. They can be in the same colour spectrum or they can be 3 completely different colours. Just make sure that you've got one light colour, a medium colour and a dark colour. So I'm going to use these 3 colours for this particular drawing. We'll start with the darkest colour.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn, then you stay and I will grow. Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong.
That's all you do with the darkest colour. Ignore that one that I did right there. And now we're going to go to our medium colour. So I'm just outlining it first of all, because this is a little lighter, so you'll be able to see those triangle lines through it when I colour it in. So in this case I actually just want to draw the outlines of all of the shapes that I will need to fill in, and then I'm going to erase the lead pencil lines and then I'll fully colour it in. You don't have to do this, it'll be fine even if you leave the lines, and you may not even have drawn the lines as dark as mine, so in that case just go right over it. And while you're doing this, you can also erase all of the lead pencil lines that you can see, because that's going to be for our lightest colour. And we know exactly where we need to go now. fun colouring in. Sorry about the shadow line. I'm recording this video a little bit too late. It's also daylight savings, so I will make sure that I film earlier in future videos.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously.
And now we just have to colour in the rest with the lightest colour.
I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady.
Here is another example of colouring in these small triangles with 3 different colours. If you wanted to see the point of all of the grey stars, you would just need to lengthen your lines with your ruler. So lengthen those 2 center lines, not the middle one, and also lengthen those 2 outer lines. That's automatically going to give you the points you need, and then you just tidy up anything outside of that. I will now show you how to draw a dodecagon pattern. So we are using our hexagon grid with the little triangles inside, and there are 7 stars that we're focusing on. So we're focusing on this one. So you can erase the whole inside of the star and this top one. Notice how I kept my grid lines within the circle boundaries for this shape. You don't have to, but yeah, there's no need for that hexagon shape this time. So it just makes for less erasing. So there we have our base shape. And for those who remember, a dodecagram is a 12-pointed star. It's important that you can see where your circles are. Mine have faded quite a bit, but I can still make them out. And we're just going to draw 2 triangles. So we're going to connect from this point. Make sure that you connect from the point of the circle's edge, not to the triangle point. We're staying inside of the circles. So we're connecting this one to that one. Okay. And then we're going to connect from here to here. You can pass the line straight through the star, it's fine for this. And then from here to there. Cool. And continue this throughout the entire pattern.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen.
Here are two of my finished designs. I turned them into Easter eggs because it's Easter this weekend. Have a great week, everyone. See you in the next class.